Hello guys, and welcome to this presentation for entrepreneurs and CEOs of tech companies who want to increase their B2B sales, where I will show you how to develop and validate a scalable product to increase your company's sales numbers by up to 10 times in just 12 months with a systematic approach and automation. So before we get started, here is one of our successful case studies about our collaboration with Epiphonica, an amazing SaaS product which help companies to engage and retain customers with voice and text messages delivered to the right channels. Indeed, it was a very restricted area of business because of certain strict regulations, but still we were able to help them in getting an average of 8 new sales opportunities a week, and the number is still growing. Amazing, isn't it? So just imagine one morning you wake up and you see your calendar is getting filled up with new sales opportunities. How amazing it would feel. So who is this presentation for? So if you're an entrepreneur or CEO of a tech company, let it be a SaaS or software company with a working product, some revenue, a strong business thesis, but you haven't solved your sales and marketing funnels, which makes you like you don't have a predictable and profitable way to generate more leads, and you don't have a proven sales process that brings in customers at a price which makes sense. You might have tried ads, didn't work. You might have tried outbound prospecting, no results. You may have hired a sales team, but they are not producing enough leads for your business, which makes you stressed, obsessed, and you end up reading a lot of sales and marketing stuff available in the market, like books and blogs on the internet, but still you are struggling to implement those teachings. So obviously you are in the business, you know the language of that, you know the tools, you are technical, you can understand the abstract concepts, you understand design and product development, and you know that you are on the verge of a massive success, but all you need is a little bit of help. You know that once you crack this code, your company will worth millions. So, and that makes you obviously motivated, smart, and obviously you are a technical person. You have all the resources at your disposal. All you need is just the right game plan to pull it all together. Here is the core concept. If you can understand this, everything will make sense. So first of all, in order to grow your business and build a well-planned automated sales system with a predictable and profitable sales pipeline and run your sales on autopilot, you need a great product and a high converting automated sales funnel. So as we know that most other teams do not have sufficient funnel building skills in-house, they seek for outside help. Here, Leadsin is the only company dedicated to helping businesses build incredibly effective automated sales funnels. Here is a quick background about the professionals at Leadsin. Yannick Tigane, an amazing entrepreneur having 10 years of experience in direct sales and marketing. He has led international sales teams in France, Germany, and Estonia. He has 5 years of experience as an entrepreneur in the field of sales and marketing automation, where he is helping other entrepreneurs. Amazing, right? Secondly, this is me, Shubhanshu Chaturvedi. I have 5 years of experience in digital sales and marketing with core expertise in inbound marketing and sales generation. Since 3 years, I have also been helping businesses in automating standard sales processes. So let's get started now with our very first step. If you are like an entrepreneur or CEO of a tech company who already have a developed product, but you are unable to get up to 10 customers, 10 paying customers a month, you need to validate your product market fit, because there might be possible that there is some loophole. So, but before that, I would like to ask 3 questions. The first one is, have you built your buyer's persona after defining or understanding your target market needs or not? So have you developed the MVP, the minimum viable product, and tested it across your niche? Is your message is resonating with your target market during the outbound prospecting? If your answer is yes, and still you are having trouble in getting 5 to 10 paying customers, you should validate your process again. So this stage initiates the first step of defining your niche. You already might have a set of audiences available with you, but if you are unable to generating this much of leads or you're convert them into your paying customers, you need to rework a bit on your niche. So you understand their problem, you develop a solution, and once you develop that MVP or the minimum viable product, you test it amongst your target market through outbound prospecting, which is a combination of LinkedIn and email outreach programs. Because why it's a combination? Because it may happen that the person is not very much active on LinkedIn, so you approach them with the help of an email. Here, foundational sales copy or foundational copywriting is used to script the messages to resonate with your niche and bring them to your sales letter page. Now, again, you might be thinking, what is a sales letter page? So it's not a very technical page. It's just the landing page, which has a bit different algorithms to create more trust amongst your prospects and provide sufficient knowledge like features and benefits about your product and make them to take the next step, where they can book an appointment or a demo with you. So once you get the demo or appointment, you pitch them for your trials. So once this step is completed, you validate your pricing and offer strategies while converting these trials to paid plans. So in order to successfully validate your product market fit step, you need to have at least 5 to 10 paying customers. If not, then you have to start again with your foundational sales copy, or you need to redefine your niche and create new buyers persona for outbound prospecting. Makes sense, right? So here is the small flow chart depicting what the whole architecture looks like. So you define your niche, you understand their problem and solution, you develop an MVP, and then you build up a buyer's persona. So if you have found enough prospects, let's say you want to test it in getting 5 to 10 customers. So with a small percentage of, let's assume 10%, you need to find at least around 200 to 400 or 500 prospects list. If not, then you have to rework on your niche, rework on the solution or the industry build based on their locations or services they are into. So, but if you have found this much of prospects, so you start building the message and email scripts and for the outbound prospecting. Then you launch the outbound prospecting as a test phase. So once your message starts resonating, they will land up on the sales letter page, which was built using foundational sales copy. And then you make them take the next step and book an appointment with you. And then once they are on the call, you close them with your free trials or prepayments of the product. And then you validate your product, and on the basis of that, you build your product fully and convert those 5-10 prepayments or trial customers into the paying ones. So if you complete this first step of product market fit, you will be able to collect some successful case studies which will help you in building up a strong business thesis while setting up the sales automation. So in order to set up successful sales automation for your business, you obviously need to validate the first step, that is product market fit. So once you get 5 to 10 paying customers a month, it's time to automate the standardized and repetitive tasks like follow-ups or qualifying the leads. So by the end of the first step, you will be able to get some successful case studies that will be used in building the thesis of your business. With the help of foundational sales copy, you will build a sales letter page which consists of video sales letter, headlines, and validate them with the help of a case study, which will act as a social proof and to create more trust amongst your prospects. Next, you will launch outbound prospecting campaigns, which is a combination of LinkedIn and email, as I mentioned before, to target more prospects and redirect them to the sales letter page. Then you can turn your cold prospects into qualified leads on automation with the help of a well-optimized quiz page and get more bookings. So here we automate the qualification of your leads which are coming in through automation or through the outbound prospecting. So here what happens is you understand a bit about their business with the, like you will ask them to fill in a short questionnaire about their business so that you can filter it out whether the prospect is right for your product or not. Because you don't want to waste your time in qualifying the leads or with a 15 or 20 minute call, and you end up like, okay, you are doing 10-15 calls in a day, and you like, it may happen that you will just end up having one customer. So you have already lost a lot of time in qualifying those leads. Then once they book an appointment with you, they are qualified, they book an appointment, you perform high converting demos or calls and validate your scripts or pricing and offers. Here you can also build custom audiences to retarget the prospects and reduce your marketing expenses by 50%. Like if they are coming down to your sales letter page and they haven't taken any action, you can retarget them by building custom audiences on that particular page. Or it may happen that they might bounce back from quiz page, or they might have filled the quiz but they haven't booked an appointment. So you don't want to approach them again and again, and it may happen that you will not get to know that who has bounced back from your website. So with the help of custom audiences, you can retarget them. Then it is very much important to orchestrate the right set of tools in your sales automation framework to reduce manual efforts in connecting, converting, and closing the prospects to customers. This is how the whole architecture looks like. You build your thesis with the help of the case study and use it as a social proof. Then you start the outbound prospecting, then you optimize your social media profiles, and you initiate the paid advertising campaigns as well, and redirect the prospects to your sales letter page. There you create trust and give them sufficient knowledge with the help of headlines or sub-headlines, video sales letters, and validate that with the help of a case study. Then you showcase the features and benefits of your product, and then you provide them an appropriate call to action. Because this whole algorithm is set in a way to make sense, right? Because if you are losing traction at any point of the time, the user will, or the prospect will bounce back. So once they clicked on the call to action, you will redirect them to a quiz page, because it is very much mandatory to qualify them before they book an appointment. Once they fill in the quiz, they will be redirected to the booking page. They will book an appointment with you, and you take the call for a demo and try to convert them into a customer. Once they are converted, you offer them a trial and you validate your pricing and scripts. If not, then you have to rework on your pricing and scripts. And once it is validated, you convert them into they are already converted into a paying customers. And so by the end of this step, you will be able to get 20 customers, or your return of investment would be 3 times. If not, if you are not getting enough of these numbers, then you have to go back and rework on your business thesis. Makes sense, right? So before you scale your tech business with the sales team or paid advertising, it is very much important to validate the first 2 steps in the sales system. Otherwise, you will just waste your money and resources. So the last and the third step is scale your business. So once you have validated your product market fit and sales automation, now you are getting enough appointments in your calendar. It's time to scale your business by installing a commission only sales team. But do remember, before that, don't forget to optimize your self-serve funnel, which was built in the step 2. So there you will optimizing the scripts, pricing and offers, and the orchestration of tools to make sure that everything is aligned and working properly. Now you need commission only salespeople to close those deals which are coming in on automation for your business. So this will also help you to reduce management costs and increase profitability. Once you have salespeople on board for successful closures, you can further scale your business to generate more leads or sales opportunities with paid advertising with the help of media buyers, and engaging more channel partners to get more leads. You can even expand globally and hire more sales reps or the sales development representatives across the globe and start closing sales effortlessly, as the lead hunting is already eliminated due to the automated self-serve funnel. So by the end of this step, you will be able to increase your sales numbers by up to 10 times in just 12 months. Here again is a quick flowchart about you start optimizing your self-serve funnel. You optimize scripts, your pricing offers, and your orchestration of tools. Then you install the commission only sales team to close those leads for your business. Then if there is an increase in sales, you can further scale your lead generation or sales opportunity process by scaling paid advertising campaigns and engaging more channel partners. Then further, if you are getting satisfactory results, you can expand your business out of your territories by hiring sales development representatives or territory wise with the help of LinkedIn or job portals, or even you have a VSL on your sales letter page, which will actually give them enough knowledge about your business. So yes, by the end of this third step, you will be able to get up to 10 times in just 12 months. Makes sense, right? So summarizing it all together, you validate your product market fit, that is, you isolate your niche and start getting 5 to 10 paying customers. Secondly, you build your sales system, which includes video sales letters, sales letter funnel for niche, and test it using methods like cold email, LinkedIn prospecting, and paid advertising. And then lastly, you scale up lead generation and sales using paid traffic campaigns such as cold ad targeting or retargeting and a sales team. So if you just did these three things, you too could build an incredible, successful, profitable business. Makes sense, right? So what do we offer? We at LeadSync build the sales systems for your business as a service. So we do it in a close cooperation with you because you are the expert in your field and you have all the expertise what we can use to make your sales processes work and generate more sales on autopilot. We help you to analyze your current sales processes to find the loopholes and make necessary orchestrations to make the whole system or the sales system work efficiently. Because you might already be having some sales processes in place. So we just analyze them without disturbing your current processes and to find the minor loopholes or the major ones and make necessary orchestrations to make the whole sales system work efficiently. Here are some frequently asked questions. When can I expect the results? So obviously you will start seeing the results from the very first month. But on the other hand, many companies have different setups when it comes to sales. Obviously, every business has different approach and algorithms. So that's why we take a minimum duration of 3 months to build up the sales system and for your business and to deliver you the first results. After that, it is up to you if you wish to continue optimizing the sales system with us, or you can do it on your own, because by that time you already might have gained a sufficient amount of knowledge. Secondly, my business is a very niche and has a very personal approach. Is automation good for my business? So yes, obviously, because we do not keep your business algorithms on automation, we only automate the processes which require no human efforts, and you already might be wasting a lot of time and resources behind it. Like it could be a follow-up or a qualifying the leads. Thirdly, I have a sales team in house. Shouldn't they be doing this? Many people ask this. So yes, they should, but as this stuff is quite complicated and most of the employees don't have sufficient knowledge, they may lack the systematic approach, because you need to have all the pieces aligned in a systematic manner. So in order to build an effective support for your sales team, we recommend that you take an expert help while setting up the initial funnel and validate them cost efficiently. We don't want you to waste your valuable resources or money. So lastly, I have been approached by similar companies before. What's new with your company? So as I mentioned before also, that unlike many other companies, we don't just focus on one part of the sales system such as LinkedIn lead generation or sales automation, because we believe that having just few parts of the engine in place will not make it an engine. Even having all the right parts would require an expertise to make it work. Like in simple words, you may have just few tools aligned in your business, or maybe if you have a lot of tools, then they might not be aligned or orchestrated properly, or maybe you do not have the right tools for your business. So this is where LeadSync comes in. We first analyze the parts you already have in place and complete them with necessary tools and processes. We underline that the only person who truly understands your market enough is you. So combining your expertise with our sales funnel building knowledge, the outcome is a highly effective sales system addressing your target market. Process: we help you write foundational sales copy, focus on one niche and develop messaging around transformation, create laser focused sales letter pitch, which is used for selling, build marketing funnel with niche specific content. That terminal could be a questionnaire and a booking page depending on the product or service or the business basically you are into. Validate marketing channels like outbound prospecting, paid advertising and channel partners. validate sales process with a junior employee. It's very much necessary because when it comes to junior employee, let it be your sales or marketing team or your customer success team, these are the professionals who are regularly in touch with your prospects or customers, so they also understand the requirements. So it's very much necessary to validate the sales process. Then validate unit case economics and scale lead generation and scale sales team. So these are the quick benefits that you can validate your sales funnel quickly, get your revenue goal quickly, remain capital efficient, hire the right people at the right time, build an incredible investment thesis, and you end up building a profitable business. Amazing, right? So these are the some features what you will be getting from this our sales system, that you will get access to foundational sales copy templates, asset templates like articles, video sales letters, webinars, structuring landing pages or the sales letter pages, creating and launching outbound campaigns, assisting writing your sales script, creating email templates for email campaigns, creating opt-in pages and channels, plan paid traffic campaigns, and plan and create webinar or hire sales team. So after hearing all these things, you now have two options with you. Either you can do it by yourself, however it could take you a long time to isolate your niche. You could struggle building your initial funnel and validating it with free sources if you don't have strong writing copywriting skills. Obviously the funnel would not function. You could struggle with outbound prospecting, let it be wrong message or wrong sequence or wrong tools, which happens most of the times. You could struggle with validating cold traffic and scaling out outbound prospecting. So because it's extremely challenging to line up all the pieces properly, and to do that you have to spin multiple plates, and if you have never done this before, there is a good chance that you will fail or run out of money. Secondly, if you work with LeadSyn, we work with you and your team for 3 to 12 months to help you set up and validate your funnel. You save months if not years. You can test ideas, markets, offers quickly without spending much money. You stop failing, you actually maximize your profits, you can get your investor returns, you can scale profitably, you build the right product for the right person at the right time. It will be very much easy for you to raise money if you wish to do so. And obviously you decrease stress levels and uncertainty. So wrapping it all again, this is for entrepreneur or CEO of a tech business who has a developed product, mistargeted your niche, worried about sinking money and resources, spending money on unproductive tools and teams. So now you must be thinking about, will it work for my business? So yes, because it's a world-class strategy with complete package of resources, templates and wireframes. It's a proven method for high ticket selling businesses, which is backed up by successful professionals. And as I mentioned that at LeadSyn, we build the sales system as a service. So we do it in a close cooperation with you and your team. So at any given point of time, you do not lose the traction of your business, because we do understand that you guys are the expert of your businesses or your field. So we utilize your expertise with the knowledge of our professionals and combine that so that you can generate more sales on autopilot. Makes sense, right? So what are the next steps? Below this video you can see a button. Just click on it, fill in a short questionnaire about your business, and you will be redirected to the book an appointment page, where you can book an appointment with us at your convenient time for a quick discovery call and get a tailored quotation for your business.